How to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required error. Let's get started. Open your settings app. The very first thing you want to do is toggle on for this option of airplane mode. Now wait for minimum 60 seconds and toggle it off. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option general. Head towards the option of VPN and device management, open it. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If you are, then you can disconnect to it. Head back, scroll all the way down, open the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on the option reset, click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. Heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option Safari, scroll down. You will find the option of clear history and website data, click on it. Set it to all history. Toggle on for the option close all tabs, click on clear history. Now head back to the main page of settings. Go to the option general, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now open the app in which you are having this issue. Click on upload app, click on upload app. After you upload the app, reinstall app. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required error. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.